Alright, hopefully this is the last loaner vehicle I'm going to need. It's a Tesla Model Y. I believe it's a long range, I'm not sure. But anyways, it's the same color as my Tesla Model Y, without the wrap obviously. But yeah, so the glass replacement will be completed same day. Originally I think they weren't planning to give me a loaner, but I asked them because I had some errands I had to run today, and they were, luckily this was like just repaired. It was from their collision center, they said. So they just finished working on it. It's still, I mean, it has some dent on it. They said they already noted it. I think it was on that side. But yeah, I'll record that later. But yeah, they said it'll be finished same day, and I was lucky enough that they had one vehicle to borrow. So yeah, I have this until it's ready. So it's pretty cool. Oh, one thing, I'm not sure what this notification is. Delivery status. Deliverable delivery status. I don't know what that is. Probably because it's a loaner. I don't know. Alright, here's the outside of the Model Y. You can see it has that little dent there. And there's a corner piece of that also dented in. Okay, they said they already knew about these issues, so yeah, I brought it to a supercharger to charge it faster. It was at like 40 something, less than 50%. They didn't have the plate. I was like, wait, I need a plate. They're gonna pull me over, and I'm gonna be like, it's not my car, I swear, it's Tesla's. Anyways, you can see we're pretty much good. So yeah, I think everything's good. I guess they use this for demo drives, but yeah. Alright, so the loaner's good, and I already checked, there's nothing left inside the car.